celebrate.
It's been so long since I felt this happy.
Did you see Tyler Dixon there?
Tyler Dixon, well, we knew him a long time ago, right?
Yeah, don't you remember when he quit working at that helium plant because he didn't like being talked to in that tone of voice? That tone of voice!
My mind just started to shut down. Forgive me.
Guys, run quick and get Mr. Billows medicine right away.
No, we still have time.
I can't believe how smoothly we pulled this off. I put up the money, and you put up the knowledge.
And now the people own their property in a neighborhood that will continue to never officially exist.
Mr. Bill needs his medicine quick. Take this.
I feel much better. I have an annuity and I need cash now. I'll tell you. 8 cents in cash now. I'll tell you. 877 cash now.
We make some team. You did great.
So now we're on a first name basis, huh?
Yeah, all those legal beagles studied your work and finally back had to yield to the master. You still got it.
And you're gonna get it if you don't get out of here right away.
Hey, I'm going. Hey!
Just in
Guys!
Just in
Quick! Give me a hand! I don't understand. He said he had an hour.
Oh, he's wearing his fancy watch. It looks great, but it runs slow.
I think I heard a phone. I found it. Hello? Oh, there's someone there. Yes, it's me, Maggie, Mrs. Fields. What? Oh, sure. Okay, I'll tell them. No problem. That was Mrs. Fields. She said she just saw 4 police cars going right by her house because they heard that Vito Cohen was here.
Mr. Cohen, you have less than 5 minutes. Go now. Leave out the kitchen door.
Go, Vito. I'll be fine.
I'm not going anywhere.
What should we do?
We'll lock 3 to 5 locks.
You guys get away from the door. I'm not going to have you obstruct justice. Somebody come over here, watch what I'm doing in case you need to take... Oh!
If they ask us any questions, we won't answer.
Yeah, but then you'll get arrested for not talking.
Yeah, but once you're arrested, you have the right to remain silent.
Please go. We'll stall him. I'll stall.
I can't go now. He needs to be stabilized.
This is the police. We have the building surrounded. Vito Cohen, come out with your hands up.
Oh, we'll tell him you left for Florida.
Vito, you have 30 seconds to comply.
Guys, open the door.
Whoa! Don't try anything funny, Vito. We've got plenty of...
Detective Cromwell, that's you.
Yeah, very nice. It looks like you really know what you're doing.
It's going to be okay, but call an ambulance anyway.
And who are you?
Oh, it's me, Maggie, the girl that was attacked last week.
And you remembered my voice?
All right, little lady, let the cop do his business. Arrest that man!
Detective Cromwell, you caught my attacker?
Come on, Vito, stand up. It's time I'm taking you in.
No, not him. The guy who just came in with you. He's my attacker.
She don't know what the hell she's talking about. She's blind!
Oh, I may be blind, but I'm not deaf. Besides, that cologne of yours, ooh, very unforgettable.
I need to get my coat. You have 2 choices. Either confess or turn your head and cough.
I won't forget this, Vito!
Believe me, where you're going, you'll get used to it.
What's the matter with you? You arrested the wrong guy. Now get the cufflinks, put him on the villain, and put him in the see gangsters, all I see is a doctor. We don't put doctors in jail no matter how much they charge. Come on, let's go.
Come back, Vito. Vito's not coming back.
Mrs. Schwartz? Mrs. Schwartz? It's for you.